Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today had a very nice bounce from where it was here to where it ultimately closed. Yeah, no doubt about it. Very, very solid bounce. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? Or in other words, a fake bounce? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. And that area is right here at 80 cents. Why is 80 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, a bounce that is actually a bounce is going to, well, continue to bounce, right? It's going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 80 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of this range where it was when essentially the price was flirting with these lows of the day. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around on top of 80, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps starting to make progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is, right? It's making progress as time goes by. And I'm just defining and quantifying, quote unquote, progress as 80 cents. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this move is going to continue upwards, where are some of these battlegrounds at? Initial area of resistance is just simply where the party stopped today after, with the bounce, and that's right up there at about 92 cents. If the bulls can push through 92 cents, the next level to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. You can see in the past, whenever the price has gotten up, or I should say right around it, the bulls just haven't been able to quite get through it. But before we talk about the 50-period, the first step is definitely that 92-cent level there. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this bounce going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.